Hello and welcome to Priyap Career Institute's Hindi class. This is the video for learn to write and to speak Hindi step by step. In this video or in this program, I always help you learn Hindi. And today's lesson is the consonant sounds. Today's consonant sounds are k and k. The first sound is k, k. K. This is the phonetic symbol for this sound k. 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 As in cat, as in cat, as in cat, as in kite, and as in king. K. 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 As in cat, as in kite, and as in king. So the sound of this letter in Hindi is k. And this sound is very similar to the sound that English people speak for cat, kite, and king. In Hindi words, this letter or this letter is written in Hindi, and their pronunciation, the pronunciation of Hindi words is here. K as in kamal, 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 k as in kamal. K as in kamal, 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 kamal. In English, kamal, and kamal means this is the pronunciation for this Hindi word, and which is pronounced as kamal in Hindi, and the meaning of this word in Hindi is lotus in English. So kamal, kamal means lotus. Kamal means lotus. Kamal, kamal means lotus. Next word is kamar. K as in kamar. Kamar, kamar. Kamar means kamar. Kamar, kamar means waist. Waist, this part of the body. Waist. Kamar, kamar means waist. And next word is kal. K as in color, color, color. Kal means tomorrow. Kal. There are two kal in Hindi. In Hindi, one kal is tomorrow, and one kal is yesterday. And kal, if we speak this word repeatedly, kal kal, it means also sound. Sound. Kal kal means this is also sound. But here kal. Kal means tomorrow. I've taken only the one meaning here of kal. Kal. Kal means tomorrow. So kal. Kamal. Kamar. Kal. Kab. Next word is kab. 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 This is kab. Kab. Kab means when. Kab. Kab means when. Kab will you go? Means when will you go? Kab will you understand? When will you understand? You can say. So kab. Kab means when. Kab means when. So kamal. The sound is k. Kamal. Kamar. Kal. Kab. And which means kab. Which means kamal means lotus. Kamar means waist. Kal means tomorrow, and kab means when. Next consonant sound is k. 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 Actually, this sound is not available in English. K. And it is same as pronounced as this k sound is. The articulation of this sound in the mouth is the same place where k sound is pronounced as k. K, g. G sound is also pronounced from the same place. The tongue raises upward and touches the roof of the sound windpipe, and then this sound comes. This sound also comes k, and from the same place this sound comes k. Actually, this sound is not available in English, but this sound is very similar when English people speak this sound. Actually, whenever English people this sound in their own and native language, then it very seems to us Indians that they are speaking this sound, but actually they are speaking this sound. Therefore, this is cat, cat. When they speak cat, cat, they speak in a they speak cat, kite, and king in a way that it seems as if they are producing this sound. But actually, this sound they are not producing, they are producing this sound. So, therefore, I am saying that the sound that English people usually in a native English produce for cat, kite, and king, the same type of sound is produced for this. And for kite, like I am speaking kite, 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 this is not the sound that natives speak. So this is kite and this is ko, ko, ko. And for ko, there is not any spelling in English. Whatever, whenever I should speak with the k sound, always there will be spelling with k, with c or k. Therefore, I have written here that this sound in English is not available. Means not available means is not available here. I can write here is not available. So ko, this is ko and this is ko. Sometimes when we people have got to write the names of Indian people like Khushi Ram, Khayali Ram, then we usually write this symbol. What symbol do we write? We write kha, and we write KHA. This is Khayali Ram. Whenever we have got to say Khayali Ram, we write this. So in Hindi, we write kha, for kha, we write this spelling in English. But actually, usually in English, there is not any sound available for this. So those who want to learn Hindi, they themselves will have to learn to produce this sound like we people produce English sounds, the sounds that are not available in Hindi, but they are available in English. We people learn to produce those sounds. So, kha, 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 and the Hindi words with kha are khabar, 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 and khabar. Therefore, I have written this symbol here for this sound kha, khabar, 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 and khabar means news. Khabar means news. What is khabar? What is khabar means what is the news? What is the khabar? What is the khabar means what is the news? So khabar, khabar. Next word is khag, khag, khag. Khag means bird. Khag means bird. And khat means letter. Khat means letter. Khat means at once. The sound here, the sound is also not available in English, so you need to learn how to pronounce this sound, but today is not the time to make you pronounce this sound. Ta. This is ta, and this is a ta. This is a ta. Ta is usually pronounced in English, but the sound does not or is not pronounced in English. So ta is not there. So those who want to learn English, they also needed. Those who want to learn Hindi, they also needed to learn this sound, because there are some sounds without learning how to pronounce those sounds, you cannot learn Hindi. So ta. This is ta. Although when their turn comes to teach you, I shall like these letters, I shall be teaching you this letter too. Means this, this letter too. So kha. As this sound is not available in English, so therefore I'll have to write the same symbol here for in Hindi. In English, we too people write the same symbol for ta and the same symbol for ta. Means for ta we write a ta sound or t, and for ta sound we write t in English. So I have written here the same symbol for khat and khat, but this is kh t sound will come there, kh t, and this is kh t means at once. At once means without delay, just after something. And then the question comes, how to make means how to write k and k. So the first step is here. This is the, we have to draw this line, and after drawing this, after having drawn this line, we just draw one more line. This is the standing line, we a vertical line we draw here, and then on this line we draw this shape like a zero like shape, or shape that is touching the round size that is in the middle of this line. This is touching the line, and after this shape we just draw this line from here. We draw this line like this, then we draw it like this, we draw like this, and after this we draw, when this is there, then we draw this. In this way we draw this line here, and then this shape comes into existence, and we call this sound k. And k sound, first of all we draw this line here. It can be called a parallel line, or then after this line we draw this shape here, and like this is the line, and we draw this line like this, we draw like this. This is, there is no much curved, but there is no much curve, but there is curve. We do not draw it straight, we draw it towards downwards, and then we keep moving it like we make a part of arc in a circle. In the same way, from here we start moving it towards this side, and this shape comes. And after having drawn this line here, from here we draw another line. We make a circle type or zero type shape here, starting from here, like this line is here, and from here we take this to upward, and then we make to upward to this place, this comes, and then we again take a turn to downwards, and it starts coming, and it comes to down, and in this way this shape comes. And again this shape comes here this shape comes, and in the same way this shape comes here. And when we have drawn this shape, then we draw one vertical line here, and after this vertical line, again this type of shape we draw here, and it becomes k sound. K, it becomes k sound, it becomes k sound, k sound it becomes. So this is k, this is k, and this is k. And now we need to do the revision work, or we need to revise the sounds that we've already learned in our previous videos. This is the sound. The pronunciation of this sound is o. O as in ago, o as in ago, a as in aham, e as in it, e as in it, e as in eat, e as in eat, and o as in put, o as in put, o as in shoe, o as in shoe, a as in pen, a as in pen, I. There's no sound for I in English, therefore I am not writing here any spelling here. O as in oral, O as in oral, O as in oral. The sound that comes in oral, the same sound before oral. Oral the sound that comes in oral before rull, the sound that comes before rull in oral, the same sound is here, oral. Ow, ow, as in the oud, as in oud, ow, as in oud, and as in rung, the sound that comes after rung, rung. So the sound that comes after the same sound is here, the sound as in rung, the as in as in re as in receive, re as in receive, re as in receive, k as in cat, k as in cat, k. This is k sound. There's no particular sound for k sound in English, so I am not writing, and I just am recommending to produce it by listening to me. So thank you. That's all. Those were the today's consonant sounds that I wanted you to learn these sounds, and I also wanted to revise these. I wanted you to revise these sounds that you already have learned in previous videos. Thank you. That's all, and I'll be making very soon the next video for the next consonant, 2 more sounds. Meanwhile, bye bye.